Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about exercise 3.4 question number 3. Explain how a square is a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle. 1. Question number 1 is number 1. How a square is a quadrilateral? A square is a quadrilateral is a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral since it has four sides. Since it has four sides. It has four sides. Number 2. Explain how a square is a parallelogram. 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 A square is a parallelogram since its opposite sides are parallel to each other. A square is a parallelogram since its opposite sides are parallel to each other. Sides are parallel to each other. Number 3. Explain how a square is a rhombus. 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 A square is a rhombus since its four sides since its four sides are of equal length are of equal length are of equal length are of equal length are of equal length. Explain how a square is a rectangle. How a square is a rectangle. 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 Is a rectangle. A square is a rectangle since its opposite angles, its opposite sides, its opposite sides, its opposite sides are equal. Sides are equal, and each angle is 90 degree, and each angle is 90 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.